Hello, this is Tom from Stafford Audi, and today I'll be taking you around this approved used vehicle which we've recently had come in stock here at the dealership. This is the Audi A5 Sportback Black Edition with the 35 TFSI engine and the S-Tronic automatic gearbox. This particular model is finished in the stunning Glacier White metallic paintwork and looks super sporty and stylish from every angle. From the 2-litre petrol engine you get 147 brake horsepower with 270 Nm of torque, getting you from 0 to 60 in around 8.8 seconds and onto a top speed of 139 miles per hour. Fitted to the front we have these fabulous matrix LED headlights offering you optimal visibility regardless of weather condition. And on all four corners these 20-inch 5 twin-spoke polygon design alloy wheels finished in anthracite black with a diamond cut finish, offering a lovely contrast to that white metallic paintwork and tying in really nicely with the gloss black styling package. With the electrically operated tailgate open you receive 465 litres of boot space, perfect for your everyday essentials, weekend away luggage or weekly family shop. The interior is finished in part leather and part Alcantara for maximum luxury and comfort, as well as the centre armrest and tri-zone climate control so the rear passengers be at their utmost comfort. Both outer seats are fitted with Isofix points so you can safely and securely travel up to 2 child seats in the rear of the vehicle. In the front we have the flat bottom S-Line multifunction steering wheel with Audi virtual cockpit behind, central touchscreen display and dual zone climate control. Both front seats are sports seats with the S badge embossing at the top, and they are manually adjustable with 4-way electric lumbar support, so finding your perfect driving position has never been easier. The Audi virtual cockpit can be controlled using the left side of the multifunction controls, giving you maximum choice over what is displayed in front of you. On the right is your volume and voice control so mid-journey phone calls, and underneath to the left your cruise control and speed limiter for precious motorway miles per gallon. From the central touchscreen display you can access wireless Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, as well as DAB and FM radio stations or simply navigation. Under the climate control is the Audi Drive Select, giving you maximum control of the overall feel and drive of the vehicle, as well as the Park Assist button which brings up the 360-degree camera system so you have peace of mind knowing that you're never going to clip a wheel or damage any of the paintwork. With the dual zone climate control, both driver and passenger can be at different temperatures or synchronised to fueling car on your own, and both front seats have 3 levels of heat to them, perfect for those colder winter mornings. If you like the look of this vehicle, do not hesitate to get in contact or simply come and take a look for yourself.